YouTube, it's Chino and I'm back again with another video. It's been a long time, but I'm back with another unboxing. So let's get right into it. Now, before we open this box, I gotta tell y'all that this unboxing is very important to me because I got this sneaker for resale, not retail. So we gonna see what's in this box for real, because I never bought a resale sneaker before in my life. I always bought retail, and I never thought that I would have to go buy something for resale off a website. So it's very important we figure out what's up in this box, because this could be anything. It could be an old sneaker. I don't know, somebody at UPS, I'm sorry UPS, but somebody could have switched the sneaker around or something or whatever, gave me some old beaters or something like that, whatever, instead of what I paid for or whatever. I'd be highly upset because this is the most I ever paid for a sneaker ever. So with that being said, let's get into this box. So when I first seen these joints, I was like, oh, I don't think I really want them like that. But then I had to look at them a couple of more times and I was like, yo, I really want these joints. Tried to get them online, couldn't get them. Then I went to the mall and I was like, yo, did y'all come out with these joints? They were like, nah, we ain't come out with them yet, but we still getting them. Check again another day. So when Monday came around, I went to go look for them joints and they were like, oh no, we still ain't getting them in yet. But you know, first come, first serve, just come in whenever. Try to get them. Do you know, Tuesday I called and I was like, did you guys get them joints in yet? And they were like, oh, well, see, the thing is, they came out yesterday and now they all gone. I was completely upset. That is why I had to order these joints and get them for resale. So I purchased these joints off of Flight Club. And it's my first time, so I hope everything is what they say it is. We'll see. I cut open the box backwards, y'all. I ain't go front. I'm a little scared. Y'all see it's a red bottom box, so y'all know it's a Nike box. Yeah, everybody know what a red box is though, right? I know everybody in the world know what a red box is. It's supposed to be from Flight Club, right? I ain't got no I definitely ain't got no tape on it. I thought it was supposed to be a tape or something, or remove the tag and then it's over. I don't know, this is my first time. I don't know if it's supposed to be some tape on there or not, y'all. It's a woman Air Jordan OG, black metallic silver. So I'm guessing y'all already know what this is already off the jump. Now for the time we all been waiting for. Okay, it got the stamp in the box, so it gotta be some type of official. It got the stamp in the box. Good for now. Right now we good. Okay. All right. Alright, we got the extra laces with it. Okay, here's the flight tag. Okay. Do not remove tag. This product has been Flight Club approved. Any claims made after this removal will not be honored. Okay. Alright. Ooh, that leather is plush. Okay. Hold on. Look in the side. Okay. Satin in the inside. Okay. Just making sure ain't nobody put their funky feet up in here. I don't know. Can't tell. The lace is a little dirty, dusty looking though. Could be just because the inside of the shirt. I don't know. Okay, Nike Air in the inside. Okay, we're looking good. Alright, 7.5. It's looking good, y'all. Let me see. Okay, it smelled like it. It smelled like a good Jordan 1. Alright. Okay. This shoe looking good. Oh! Hold on, wait. What's that, y'all? What is this? I don't know if y'all can see it. This look a little slimy right here. What's this? Look a little wet. Look. Oh, hecky no. My first impression on these joints. They dry nice. I ain't even gonna front. They everything that I thought they would be, for sure. I'm happy about it that they made like better material, nice and plush. You know, cause usually I get like the kid sizes because you know they don't make the kid sizes as good as like the adult size. They have like this rough texture to it and everything. Like it'll feel like cardboard and stuff, but nah, this drain is official tissue, bro. I like the fact that it got satin in the inside. That's dope. And the fact that it's black instead of like color, like a light color or white or something like that. I like to wear black socks a lot. I don't know why, but I do. I wear a lot of black socks. It's my go-to. Come on now. Y'all can't act like y'all don't like black socks, especially when you go over to other people's house. I'm just saying. It's better to wear black socks over other people's house. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna say nobody's house is nasty. I'm just saying. It's just better that way. Yo, comment down below if I'm tripping. Came with the extra laces. I think I could rock these extra laces. I ain't seen nobody yet pop these joints in and like do what it do. I see people, you know what I'm saying, with the black joints in. I ain't even going front. These joints are giant butter. I still don't know what the heck this is right here. I don't like it. Like some type of glue or something on there. Can y'all see that? I know when I put it like this, y'all can see it. I don't know. But right there, that's a turn off for me, bro. Definitely. I like my joint sparkling clean. Like, it should be looking like this. But I know sneakers gonna have some imperfections and stuff like that on it. Anyway, y'all. I ain't really gonna talk too much about the shoe because I know y'all seen it already and all that or whatever. I just wanted y'all to see me take it out the box. Because I was definitely gonna let y'all know my opinion on it. If it was something else, if it was worn, anything or whatever, I was definitely gonna tell y'all, yo, I ain't going for all that. You know what I'm saying? But these joints is fire. I ain't even gonna front. I'm gonna let y'all know how much I paid for these joints. $335. Yes, I paid $335 for these joints off of Flight Club, bro. I wear a 7.5, and that's how much they were selling them for. So I was like, yo, I ain't even about to I ain't about to take no loss on this joint. I already did. I really do want these sneakers. Let me get them. I think it took about like, I'd say about like 2 weeks roughly to get them. I'm glad these joints is official, ain't fake. It don't seem like no toes been put in my joints and been walking around, none of that. So I'm thankful for that. So shout out to Flight Club for sure. It's official. Although I have seen reviews of people saying like, oh yo, my joints is fake, they did this and did that and all that, whatever. Nah, it was a good deal. It was my first time ever buying a sneaker for resale, and these joints is fire. I ain't even go front. I would suggest anybody to go ahead and buy from Flight Club if you're gonna get a resale sneaker for sure. So there you have it, guys. The Nike silver toe joints. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that foot, cause you know it's coming up. You know it's coming up. All right, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.